In this video, I'll guide you through how to link and connect your Microsoft Outlook calendar to Dubsado. Connecting your Outlook calendar to Dubsado is a great way to keep your schedule organized and prevent double bookings. Once the integration is set up, Dubsado can reference your calendar availability when clients book appointments, helping you manage meetings more efficiently. The setup process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes to complete. To get started, sign into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, click the gear icon in the menu to open your account settings. Inside the settings menu, look for the calendar. Locate the calendar connection options and choose to connect a calendar. You'll be presented with several supported providers. Select Microsoft Outlook Calendar to begin the connection process. At this point, Dubsado will redirect you to Microsoft's secure sign-in page. Choose the Microsoft account that contains the Outlook calendar you want to connect. If you're not already signed in, enter your Microsoft account credentials and continue. Microsoft will then display a permission screen explaining what Dubsado needs access to, such as viewing and managing your calendar information so it can synchronize your scheduling. Take a moment to review the requested permissions. If you're comfortable with them, click Accept to authorize the connection. After authorization is complete, you'll automatically be redirected back to your Dubsado account. Once you're back in Dubsado, you should see confirmation that your Outlook calendar has been successfully linked. If you have multiple calendars associated with your Microsoft account, choose the one you want Dubsado to use for scheduling. Selecting the correct calendar ensures your availability is based on the schedule you actually use for client appointments. After choosing the appropriate calendar, save your settings if prompted. From that point forward, Dubsado will reference your connected Outlook calendar when managing appointments and scheduling availability. This helps reduce scheduling conflicts and keeps your meetings synchronized across both platforms. It's a good idea to verify that the connection is active before sending scheduling links to clients. A quick check can help ensure your calendar is syncing properly and your available time slots are accurate. That's all there is to it. By connecting your Microsoft Outlook calendar to Dubsado, you can streamline appointment scheduling, keep your calendar up to date automatically, and make the booking process much more convenient for both you and your clients.